I have some names here and I want to split them. Some of the name have middle name and some of them don't have any middle name and some of them only have initial of the middle name. So it would be challenging to split them in here. So when I already uploaded a video that how to split them by applying Excel formula, but that would be so difficult for beginners who are just starting on Excel. So today I'm going to show you a very easy method which is very good for starters who are just starting learning Excel, and even people who are expert in Excel may find this useful. So I have these names here which are already in a table, If they are not in a table, you press Ctrl T to convert them to a table. So click anywhere in your table and then go to data tab and then select here from table range. Click on this one and it will take you to the Power Query. And here I want to split into first name, middle name and last name. Under the home tab, let's go to the split column and click on it and split by delimiter, and I want to split them by space and then select OK. Here what happened is the person who don't have middle name, Power Query put their name in here. So for example, we rename all of these. So I have renamed them as first name, middle name and last name. So what happened here is the people who don't have middle name, Power Query put their last name in the middle name. So let's sort the last name first. So what we will do is we'll go to custom column under the add column tab and write this formula here. If the last name is equal to null, then take the value from the middle name. I'll take the value from the last name. Let's insert this custom column and see what happens. So what happened is this column took the value where is null from the middle name, otherwise it put the last name here. So now the last name is sorted. Now we have to sort the middle name. So first delete the last name column. Both the steps are recorded here, so you can have a look what you did. So let's change this column name to last name. So we add column again, custom column again to sort the middle name. So we'll put this formula here. If the last name is equal to middle name, then put an empty cell. Otherwise, take the middle name. So you can select here as well. Yeah? And then select OK. Okay, we put this formula here. If last name is equal to middle name, then put an empty cell. Otherwise, put the middle name and select OK now. So here middle name is sorted now. Now, if we delete this column and then rename this column as middle name and change its place to here, now all the data is sorted. So we have first name, middle name, and the people who don't have middle name, it's an empty cell, and we have last name as well. Now, what we do is we click on the file and then close and load, and it will load the clean data back into your Excel. But if you clean your data with the formula, I have explained this in another video. Go to my profile and watch this video if you want to learn how to clean this data with the formula. But the Power Query is the most powerful and it's very easy to use Power Query as a learner. So work smarter, not harder. So I recommend doing this by Power Query.